Hey everyone, welcome back to Pajama Crafts, where I do crafts in my pajamas. Today I have 3 Dollar Tree DIYs for you guys, and I'm really excited because this video is a big collab with all of these lovely ladies. We have Fanny from Creations by Favi, Julia from The Mug Life, Michelle from Michelle's Cozy Home, Maria from Crafting with Maria, Eileen from The Hearts, and Josie from Josie's Crafts. I will leave all of their channels linked in my description, so make sure to go check them out and see what they did for this challenge after you watch this video. And then for the challenge, we decided to just do anything that we can from the supplies that we have at home, from our stash, and without spending any money, because we are staying home during this time and we wanted to give you guys some ideas or just show you what we're doing with things that we have on hand. So I had this little guy on hand, and I'm just popping out the back of this little shadow box, and this one was a little bit harder than usual, but with enough pressure I was able to pop this out. And then I peeled off the extra paper that was torn and would be showing through, and decided to paint the back of the little square piece and then just turn it around to pop it back in. This is the color Vintage Victorian. I believe it's similar to the Ballet Slipper color and the Waverly chalk paint, but this is just what I have on hand. And I think I did 2 coats on this just so it would be nice and opaque. I used some white Waverly chalk paint on the middle piece, and then I'm using some wax, some white wax on the black part to distress it. I actually have this because I accidentally bought it when I was in a hurry a long time ago. I was trying to buy white paint and I grabbed the wax instead. So I've just been slowly using it every now and then to distress a little bit, and I just brush a little bit on and use a paper towel to kind of smear it out, and I kind of like the look that it gives it. I like to use these blue paper towels from Walmart. You can find them in the automotive section for crafting. You'll see me use them later for staining things too, and that's just because they're more heavy duty, and I really like them a lot better than regular paper towels. Now, I did use my Cricut and some leftover vinyl from Arteza, and I'll leave the link to their website in my description. But I just made that little bee and I put it in the middle part, and this is going to be for Brie, and I thought it turned out really cute. I will leave the links for the Cricut SVG files in my description for anything I use in this video, just so you guys can use those designs if you want to. I'll always do that, just so you know, for future videos too. If you want to find the design, it's always going to be in the links in my description. For the next DIY, I'm using this old Dollar Tree sign that I had way back from last spring, I think. And I had made it into a Christmas DIY, and I just wanted to change it up because it wasn't my favorite anyway. I just added these 2 sticks to make it look like one of those scroll signs, except wood. And this was just some scrap wood that I had on hand, but you could use some paint stir sticks or rulers or whatever you have. And then I just used the same white Waverly chalk paint to paint over that design. It took me several coats, but once I got it completely covered, I just used another decal from my Arteza vinyl on my Cricut, and I'll leave that linked in the description as well. But I just really like this saying, and so I just did that one for this DIY, and I think it did turn out cute, and I like it a little bit better than the original. For the last DIY, I'm taking this frame that I had used in a previous DIY from Dollar Tree. It was painted like an ivory white color, and I decided to repaint it with my white Waverly chalk paint and make sure it had a nice solid coat of paint on there. While that was drying, I got some scrap wood that my dad saved for me from his job, and I went ahead and cut those down to the size that I needed them to fit in this frame, and then I'm staining them with some dark walnut stain. I would highly suggest using gloves when you're staining. I just ran out and I'm not going out to get any right now. So I just used some dish soap to cut the grease when I'm washing my hands afterward. But it will stain your hands a little bit. Maybe just for a day or two, if you do use it with your bare hands. Going back to my frame, I decided to distress it with some Waverly chalk paint in the color Truffle. I really love this for distressing, and I like that it's able to bring out the really cute design that was on this frame. Once everything was dry, I went ahead and flipped my frame over and started hot gluing all of my pieces into the back of the frame. Before I started gluing, I did space them out exactly the way I wanted them to be because there is a little bit of space between each board. I think it's already so pretty just by itself, but I wanted to give you guys a few ideas of what you could put on it. I was going to do this really pretty lamb's ear wreath, but I thought it might be a little bit too big for this. So I did try to do another one with some flowers that I picked up from Michael's on sale when they first brought out their spring florals. And I thought that would be really pretty, but then I realized I didn't have anything to connect it, and I didn't want to put glue all over the whole thing because I wanted to be able to change this out. And so I just decided to tie up a few of those flowers and then just use a little bit of hot glue to put those on there, and I think it makes a really, really pretty little spring piece, and if I want to, I can kind of pull that right off and use something else later. I really love how all three of these turned out, and I can't wait to go see what everyone else made in this collab, so make sure you go check out their channels too and show all these girls some love. I have a little video of Brie playing with her giant teddy here at the end. It's a little bit longer than usual, so just enjoy that if you like seeing her, but make sure to go check out all the other ladies from this collab, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Yeah? That your big bear? Aww. He's so big. He's big. Wow. Wow. He's so big, isn't he? He's such a big bear. Aww. You love him? Oh. Aww. Yeah? He's a big bear? Hmm? Is he so soft? He's so soft. Hmm. He's so soft. Yeah. Big bear. Is that such a nice little seat? What are you doing? Is he soft? Yeah. What? Ah. He's so soft. Aw. You love him. Aw. Oh, you found your quack quack? I'm gonna introduce him to the big bear. Ah. What are you doing to Big Teddy's nose? What are you doing to Big Teddy? Where are you taking him?